You're welcome to National Sea Life Centre here in Bray. We are a public aquarium, and another way of describing us would be to describe us as an aquatic zoo. We have over 1,500 creatures on display here at the aquarium, and our mission is to act as educators and informers to the general public about marine life both around Ireland and further afield as well. Highlighting the wonders of the marine world, but also informing people of the threats and dangers to that very marine life. National Sea Life Centre is also very much involved in science. We do both conservation work and research work, as well as educational work. And as part of that educational work, we have become a Discover Primary Science Centre, and we bring the wonders of science to a wide range of children who come and visit us with their classes here at Sea Life.
Would you be able to tell me a little bit about what you did around?
Well, we went around looking at all the different kinds of fishes, and they were all colourful, and we've seen stingrays and rays and all kinds of sharks, and we did quizzes and all. It was cool.
Red-bellied piranhas are found in the Amazon River, and a pack of piranhas this size, if they were hungry enough, and I have to stress, if they were hungry enough, they could strip a cow right down to the very bone in less than 3 minutes. That's how fast they feed.
I liked looking at the sharks. They were scary.
Now, so it's a tropical tank, and we've lots of different types of sharks in here and lots of different types of fish as well. She's called a bonnethead shark, and we've 2 of those in the tank. And the sharks with the black tip on their fin, there's 2 of them just at the back here. They are called black tip reef sharks. And then that stripy guy that just swam past us here, he is called a leopard shark, and we've 2 of those in the tank as well. In the world, there are over 440 different types of sharks, and new types of sharks are being found every few months.
We did worksheets, and we did this kind of like little can for the sound waves.
We did an experiment. When you put the light, you put the light on the tin foil and you scream into it, you can see the shadow move on the wall.
Today we're going to be doing some experiments on sound, alright? So you're going to be looking at how sound travels underwater, okay? Because sound travels about 30 kilometres under the sea, which is very, very far. So whales and fish use sound to communicate with each other. So the experiment that we're going to do with all the stuff in front of you guys is about the sound. It's called a sound scope. So it's basically to show you guys how the sharks actually feel the sound. What do you think the predators are? Okay, the sharks. And what about the fish? Are there any predators in there that are fish?
Sharks and rays have an amazing ability to sense electricity in the water, right? And what we're going to do now is we're going to see if we can get the rays to come to us by creating some electricity. Hopefully it will attract them.
We've just come to the end of our day here at Sea Life in Bray with 4th and 5th class, and everybody's had a super fun time. They really enjoyed getting engaged with all the fish and sea life that they have here. It really links in well with our geography and our science curriculum as part of living things and environmental awareness and care. And most importantly, the children have really enjoyed themselves.